Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Metapixel for LinkedIn traffic, full guide step by step clearly. To install Metapixel for LinkedIn traffic, start by logging into your Meta Ads Manager account. Navigate to the Events Manager section in the menu. In the Events Manager, click on the Pixels option. If you don't have a pixel yet, select the option to create a new pixel. Give your pixel a name that reflects your business or campaign. Enter your website URL to create a more personalized experience. Click on Continue to proceed with the setup. You will now be given a choice to set up your pixel manually or use a partner integration. For manual setup, choose the option labeled Manually Add Pixel Code to Website. Copy the pixel base code that appears on the screen. Open your website's code editor or platform dashboard. Paste the pixel base code into the header section of your website, just above the closing /head tag. Save the changes and publish your website if required. Next, return to the Meta Ads Manager. Click on the Test Events tab to ensure your pixel is working correctly. Enter your website URL in the provided field and click Open Website. Once your website loads, check if the pixel is reporting activity in the Test Events section. Now, set up events to track specific actions on LinkedIn. To do this, go back to the Events Manager and select your pixel. Click on Add Events and choose from the pixel. Select the type of events you want to track, such as page views, purchases, or signups. Follow the prompts to define the details of each event. After setting up events, use the link to track LinkedIn traffic in your campaigns. Create a LinkedIn ad and ensure you include the pixel in the tracking settings. Monitor the performance of your campaigns through Meta Ads Manager. Analyze the data to understand how LinkedIn traffic is interacting with your website. Continuously optimize your pixel setup based on the insights gathered. This concludes the installation process for Metapixel for LinkedIn traffic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.